Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering error code status underscore breakpoint in your browser, then watch this video for the solution. So the first solution is to clear the cache and the cookies. So we will right click on we will left click on the three buttons, and then we will click on history, click on history again, and then click on delete browsing data tab. And then we will select the time range all time, and we will make sure all these boxes are checked, and we will click on clear now. Now these steps are all same for various browsers. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox or Mozilla. I am using Edge, so I am showing to you on Edge. Now once we do that, we'll have to also uncheck the extensions. So we'll right click on the left click on the three buttons, go to extensions, manage extensions, and we will make sure that these extension buttons are switched off. And the third thing we can do is we need to reset the browser or repair the browser. So for that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and we'll go to apps, installed apps. And if I am using say Edge, then I will, if I'm getting this error on Edge, then I will get Edge to repair itself. Right, click on the three buttons, click on modify, and then click on repair, and this should solve the issue. If you're using Chrome, then you need to look for Chrome, then click on these three buttons, and then there's no modify, so you need to uninstall and then reinstall Chrome. And the final thing is to disable the hardware acceleration. So we'll open the browser, click on the three buttons, go to settings, and then we will go to performance settings, system and performance, and then we will make sure that this bar is ticked off, and then we will close the browser, restart the browser, and then we should no longer see this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.